Hello, my name is Devansh Goel, and I'm proud to be the MC of this AI Skills for the Future workshop. I'm a student here at Jumeirah College, and I'm like 14 years old. So the main reason I was curious to join the workshop was that I thought beforehand that ChatGPT was basically everything about AI. Now, coming to this workshop, I actually learned more about AI and much more than it's actually a broader scope on AI. That's it's not only ChatGPT, but it's also more than ChatGPT. It can be academic research, it can be presentation making, communication skills, and much more. Definitely, the biggest impact that it had on me was the theory part of the aspect. For example, I thought beforehand that AI was all just like computers, somebody just putting in a prompt and then it just automatically generates a response. But when I got into the workshop, the first day, second day, and more days, I realized that it's not only just about writing prompts. It's about also understanding the theory aspect of it. For example, neural networks and how they work, the black box theories, and much more. This AI experience was definitely one of the best experiences that I've ever had, especially joining at an early age, like 14 years old, for example. I would definitely recommend it for high schoolers, especially coming towards the college applications and much more later in the years. Key takeaways that I would put for this program is, first of all, it's a broader scope on AI. For example, it's not only ChatGPT; it's more than ChatGPT. Second of all, it provides high schoolers with good experiences to make more things. For example, if I wanted to think about business ideas and stuff like that, I can definitely go to AI as a second mind or a second partner. Third of all, it's a broader perspective. For example, if I wanted to think about making a second brain, just like Mr. Fisher has said today, think about a second brain and how it helps you make your timetables and much more. Fourth of all would definitely be about it being more productive and it being more inclusive in my daily life. For example, when I came to this workshop, I was just scrambling notes on my notepad and just looking down at my notepad, looking up at Sir, looking down at my notepad, learning about Sir talking to us about AI, how it can help you in your studies and higher education. That just helped me overall and say how can I how can I learn from Sir at the same time just make AI look at all my notes, presentations, and much more. Those are my 5 key takeaways. Excellent. That's really all I have to say. Excellent. This workshop definitely has been a memorable experience for me, and definitely look forward to doing it in the future.